G'day everybody, you're back here with your boy Death Row, and look what we've got today. I did say I was getting one, there was talk about it. I've got one. This is it here. You would have seen the previous video. Beautiful, look at that. That's the air fryer. It's a new one. I'm going to get into unboxing this and let's see how we go. We've got the top of the box open. As you can see here, you get a user manual. Right. Who reads that? Looks like you got, different parts of the tray. It's part of this thing that you can put a chicken, There could be a steel rod for it. Powerful there. There is the beast in there. Let me just put this onto the side. Be right back. Okay, we've brought it out of the box. Here's another box in here with different grills. So let's have a look at the plastic. So we're going to get rid of the plastic. We'll be right back. Alright, we've got most of the plastic off. There's seals on each side. Let's listen to that sound. Open up the little. Got more stuff in there. More plastic. You got a kind of a drip tray. You got your thing that spins around for your fries in there too. So there's a lot more plastic. And we've got this here. What's this? Don't you love this? Listen. Oh yes. This is a nice little one. It's a Livingandco air fryer, 11 point something litres. It's got the rotisserie. It's got everything. Wait till you see a video of me firing this thing up. Now this is, as you can see here with the plug, Australia and New Zealand. It's got the protection on there. I'll be taking that off in a second. There we go, we've taken all the plastic out. Got the things up there. Where's it going to come from? There's the rotisserie chips thing. It turns around. You're cooking fries. I'll show you before, multiple trays. There's a 11 litre air fryer manual. That's it, folks. This is the Livingandco air fryer. Until next time. When you see it in action, we'll see you then. This is your boy Death Row. Over and out.